Hello guys, this video is about our Django. So in today's Django video, I am telling you about the templates. If you don't know what are templates in Django, so in today's video, the whole concept will be clear about that. So see this video start to end, and so then your whole concept will be clear about it. So now let's move to computer screen and let's learn about what are Django templates. And now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, in today's Django video, I am telling you about the templates. If you don't know in Django what are templates, so in today's video, the whole concept will be clear about it. What are templates in Django? So let's get started and let's talk about templates in Django. So let's get started. In the Django intro page, like in the first video of the Django, we learned that the results will be in HTML, okay, and it should be created in a template. So let's do that, okay. If you create a template folder inside the member folders, what if you create a template folder inside the members folders? How? Let me tell you. You first of all go on your applet, and when you go on your applet, first of all you open your log out it from here, okay. When you log out it from here, so it take a little bit loading, then it will be open it. Then you click on the sign up for free, then continue with Google. So then it take a little bit loading, then in like this type of interface has been come. Let me show you this type of. So what you can do in the, if this type of input has been come, you can open your email. I am opening my email, so it take a little bit loading, then this type of interface has been come, then it take a little bit loading, then it will be open it. Then open your Django file. I open it my Django file, and what it's saying, it's saying like create a template folder inside the members folders, okay. What, like this one members folders, you can make here a templates folder. How? You click on the right click here, then add a folder. Then when you click on the add a folder, you write here your folder name templates. Then in the template, let me tell you what you can do, and then create a HTML file name my first.html. How? Let me tell you. Right click, add folder, name it templates. Then templates 1. Now right click it, add a file by the name of my first.html, okay, like that. Only you can do this, okay. And now I am deleting that because I am already make it, so I do not make this another time, okay. So now the file structure will be look like this, like mytennis.club, then manage.py, then mytennisclub, and then members, then templates. In the templates file there is my first.html. Open the HTML file and insert the following, okay, insert this following code, okay. I open my HTML file and let me insert this following code, okay. When you insert this following code, so let me tell you what you can do. Sorry, you write here HTML. So now do like that. Modify the view. Now you can modify the view.py file and then replace the members view with this. Like copy this and then go on your members and then go on your views.py file. Where is it? Okay, where is it? Let me open it. Then let me open it. Here is our views.py file. Let me paste this code here. Then it giving the error, so copy it and say what is error in this code. Then it will tell you this type of error in your code, then it will be solved, then it will give you. Here you can see it. Now it not give you the error. So now here you can see it. So now when your work is done like here, so let me tell you what you can do. Then you will change the settings to able to work with more complicated stuff than hello world. We have to tell Django that a new app is created. This is done in the settings.py file and in that mytennis.club folder. Look up the install apps list and add the members app like this, okay, like this. In where, let me tell you. First of all, you copy this. Then when you copy this, open your this is done in the settings.py file in that mytennis.club, okay. So what you can do, you open this file, and this file you open your settings.py file, then go down, then you paste this code here. Now done. So now down. To run this command, you write here, let me show you. If you run this command, so you write here py manage .py migrate, then enter press. So then it will migrate it. So now what you can do, you can go here like that, save it. Now when you do this, so which will produce this type of output, okay, this type of output. Now then start the server by navigating to my tennis club folder and execute this command. What command? Let me show you. You go here, search here, py manage.py run server, okay. Then when you run it from here, when I run it, now refresh it, Python conf file open. Now run it. So now when I run it, so here you can see it has been running, and now here you can see it like that, it will be running very easily. Yes, so like you can do it like that. Here you can see it is running very easily. Yes, and in the settings.py file it giving me the error. So what type of error, let me see. So let me go here and let me write what is error in this code. Then when I say that, so then it will be start to give me this type of error in your code. Okay, it is not running. New chat. Now what is error in this code? Now when I say that, so then it will be start to giving you in the seconds. Okay, so wait it and watch. So but it will be very easily, it will be run it like here you can see it, and now it is giving me like that. Here you can see it, and when I erase it and when I copy it, insert it, insert, and then like that. So but here you can see it, here it is giving me very easily, it gave me the output like that, and my app will be successfully has run it. Here you can see it. So here you can see it, in the today's video I told you about what are Django templates, and here you can see it, our app is running very easily. Yes, it is not giving me any such type of error, it is very easily as running. So here you can see it. I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit a like button, share friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So then what you can do, you go on here Visual Studio Code, then when you go here, make the one file by the name of index.html, then enter press, then go documents, and then create this file. Then when you create it, so then it and paste it, then save it, go here documents, then open that file, sorry not this file, open this file. So then it will give you the hello world value, welcome to my first Django project. The results will look like, let me show you, the result will look like this. Okay, so here you can see it. So I hope your concept will be clear about it. So now please like this video. I appreciate your support through. If you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you haven't checked my whole playlist yet, so move on to the CodeWithPk.com on my YouTube channel, so you can easily access it and bookmark it also. So now I meet you next lesson, next video, amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.